Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. See what I made, a smart belt. What did I use in this project? Let's see. A 9-volt battery, a power module, a IR sensor, a sensor base and a sound module. This belt will help the people who cannot see. So let's see how this works. We need to turn on the power module and an object will go in front of the IR sensor. So let's keep our hand. The sound is coming. So whenever the sound comes, the blind people will get alerted that something is in front of them and they need to move away. Now let me wear this. Now I tied it. So let's turn it on. Let's keep our hand in front of it. Oh, the sound is coming. Let's test this with a ball. Look, the sound is coming. The sound is coming again. Let's move it. Yes, we're going. Let's again get in front of the wall. Again the sound is coming. Yay! Again the sound is coming. Let's be in front of the table. The sound is coming. Let's keep our hand. This project is very fun to use and very helpful for the people who cannot see. I love this project. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.